Hi there, want to highlight your best content on Instagram? Pinning a post is a great way to keep your favorite photo, video, or reel at the top of your profile so visitors see it first. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to pin a post on Instagram in 2026 using the latest app version. Step 1. Start by launching the Instagram app on your Android phone or iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to pin a post. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Step 2. Scroll through your profile grid and find the photo, video, or reel you'd like to feature. Tap the post to open it in full view. Remember, Instagram allows you to pin up to 3 posts at the top of your profile, so choose content that best represents your account. Step 3. With the post open, tap the 3-dot menu located in the top right corner. This menu contains several options for managing your post, including editing, archiving, and pinning. Step 4. From the menu, tap Pin to your profile or Pin to main grid, depending on the version of Instagram you're using. The app will instantly move that post to the top of your profile. Step 5. Return to your profile and refresh the page by pulling down on the screen. You'll now see the selected post at the top of your grid with a small pin icon, confirming it has been successfully pinned. You're all set. Your selected post will now stay at the top of your profile until you decide to change it. Thanks for watching and happy posting.